In this video, I am going to show you how to know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application and then go to your chats. On your chats, the first sign is a phone icon right besides that person name. On your chat, if that sign is being shown, that means that the specific person is currently in a call. Additionally, you can try initiating a call but will receive a busy message. So to initiate a call, you have to select the person that you wish to call. Then you have to click on the call icon which is present at the top right corner of your screen and you will be able to initiate a call. But if you receive a busy message, then it means that the call won't be forwarded as that person is already in a call. So everyone, that's how you can know if someone is busy on a Snapchat call. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.